everyone, it's me Freya again, and I'm going to show you how to take care of your gardening. Well, to make your garden nice. First we'll start with the rake. We'll put this there. So, first to make it nice and small on your garden, you have to do this. From each row to each row. When the rake gets full, you get over here. You put the grass over here.
Okay.
When it's full.
And whose gardening gloves are they?
These are my gardening gloves.
Oh.
So let's just get back to gardening.
What have we done here, hey?
Sometimes you can make a hole with your rake. With your rake, where you're going to plant a flower, you could use mud or soil for it.
Okay. Okay. That looks good.
I could do that with rake. Now we're going to get it out, as I said. So keep on raking until we get it out. You have to be careful when you're raking. When you take it out, it could fall back into the pile of grass.
That's true.
Very quick. Get all this off. This is a trap.
Okay.
This is a watering can. You use the watering can to water your plants. But now I'm making a hole where the seed will go. Is it autumn or winter?
Autumn.
In autumn, we are not going to buy some flowers because it's very cold. We can only buy some flower seeds in spring or summer. We'll have to buy flowers that belong in cold weathers, and they're called evergreen flowers.
That's right.
That means they can grow in the winter all round, even in autumn.
Mm-hmm.
But sometimes they can last a tiny bit in spring or summer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's right. And so why wouldn't you grow vegetables?
Look, I found a worm.
Well, what is it?
Oh, here it is. What you do when you get worms, you leave them alone.
Yeah, we have to be nice to nature, don't we? We don't hurt the worms. Put the worm back. Now, what do you do?
It's alive.
Is it a living worm?
Yeah, it's alive.
Oh, it's moving about, look. Oh,
This is a worm.
Uh-huh. Oh, can you see it? Yeah, look at that. Oh, right.
And you see a bird and they can see a worm. You hide the worm.
Yeah, well,
hide the worm.
Yeah, well, look,
so you can protect it.
And so there's the worm there.
So this is a tricky rule for them. They can only eat them when they're dead.
Oh, is that right? Okay. And the worm's there, so you'll have to hide it, because what if there's a bird of a night, like an owl?
If there's an owl at night and you can hear it, you go shoo shoo.
Hoo hoo. And look who's came to join us.
This is my dad.
Say hello.
This is my dad, Bernie. Say
Hello.
Dad.
We're doing a gardening tutorial.
Would you like to help me garden?
I don't think you should be doing it there in the middle of the road, sweetie pie.
It's fine.
I don't think it is.
It is.
Well, you need to get some seeds, evergreen seeds.
So now I'm going to pour some water.
Oh, there we go. That's to obviously keep it nice and hydrated.
You leave it over a day. The next day you water it again.
Okay. And what happens when it rains? Would you still water it even if it's raining?
It's fine because it will help it grow even more.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you had too much water.
Okay. Oh, that sounds great.
Bye everyone. I hope you enjoyed my gardening video.